beyond grateful for winning 1 million pesos.
Wow, millionaire na sa ate. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So ilang days after kong subukan yung Explore Exchange, eto na, nang-scam na sila agad.
Why are you running? Why are you...
So pakihit na yung subscribe button at like at atin na nga itong simulan. So ayun no, bago nangyari yan, hindi na sila nagpa-withdraw dahil daw sa GCash issue noong election. So, yan, payment failed na yung last withdrawal ko. Tapos ito na yung total assets dapat sa account ko. No? Meron na tayong 11,669 pesos total assets. Naka-freeze na 3,279 pesos at available to withdraw na dapat na 6,434 pesos. So, yan. Withdrawal time has not come. Pero 10:30 na yan noon. Nung normal time na pwede na dapat mag-withdraw. So, dati yun. Tapos, may pahak-hak pa silang nalalaman. No? Yan. Ito na. Sa pilitan na nilang ni-require yung mga members na mag-cash in.
Bilisan nyo na, tanghali na!
Para daw hindi maban yung account. So, sabi, please complete your sex account verification within the specified time. So, $10 daw yan. Pero hindi totoong $10 lang. Yung iba, umabot ng 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Tapos, wala rin.
Ano po ang nararamdaman nyo ngayon?
So yun, hindi na nila kaya hindi na tayo nagpa-auto noon, no? Kaya ito yung ginawa nila. Because you failed to complete the XEX account verification on time, your account has been banned. So, ba't nangyari yan? Nagkaroon kasi ng iba't ibang GC noon, no? So, iba-iba yung sinasabi. So, meron sinasabi na mag-cash in daw. Tapos, sabi naman ng isa, scam daw. So, tingin ko yung isang nagsabi ng scam, nagkaroon na ng konting konsensya sa katawan.
Hindi pa ba sapat yung narinig nyo? Ulit-ulitin ko pa ba?
So, yun, naban yung account ko. Kaya, hindi ko na inasahan itong mga prices na to na napanalunan ko. Di naman masakit yan. Tingin ko ito yung mga taong to ang nasaktan ng lubusan.
Paano masabi?
Panoorin natin. Ito na.
First of all, I sincerely thank God for His incredible blessing, a
Blessing
truly
lang.
amazing birthday gift. Honestly, I've never been lucky with lotteries, but I prayed hard and held on to hope. I wasn't expecting it, but I believe. When one of our members won $50,000 last week, I told
Nakuha kaya?
myself my time will come. And now, it finally has. I still can't believe I'm living this moment.
Mayaman na si ate. $20,000.
And I'm beyond grateful.
Thank to Tambala Foundation and to you, Sir Alan. 21 million is something I never expected. As a student, this means a
Student
lot.
pa siya, no?
I feel happy, thankful, and also a bit nervous because this is a big
So, hindi natin
responsibility.
So, binler ko yung mga mukha nila, no? Kasi hindi naman ako nanghingi ng permission para i-post yung video na to sa kanila. Kaya, ganyan. Tiyagaan nyo na. Pakinggan nyo na lang. Tuloy tayo.
I'm beyond grateful for winning 1 million pesos.
Wow, millionaire na sa ate.
Organization has brought immense joy and opportunity into my life.
Grateful to have won 20,000 USDT tonight
20,000
from
ulit.
Tambala Foundation. I want to express my deepest gratitude to our analyst, Sir Alan,
Oo,
and to
shoutout daw,
the
Sir Alan.
Foundation for this incredible opportunity.
Careful. I'm still in a state of disbelief about my triple fortune tonight. I saw my XAX ID as one of the winners of the 20,000 USD.
20,000 ulit.
I initially thought there
to lift me up from this poverty, and I know you're so very good to me always. from the laptop, from the
Laptop.
television,
TV.
e-bike, and there's
E-bike.
many more that you give to me. Then now,
Wow,
I
sana all,
have
kuya.
$20,000. I'm so very grateful for this. And
I express my heartfelt thanks for choosing me as one of the recipients of the $20,000 grant. I'm truly
Wow.
grateful for your generosity. It means a lot to me and will go a long way in helping me achieve my goals and create meaningful impact. Your organization's work is truly inspiring.
Inspired ka pa ya ngayon, kuya?
Winning the 1 million prize is truly
1
a
million din, no?
life-changing moment for me.
I'm one of the leaders
Oo, leader
of the
to.
Himalayan
Alam niyo
International.
na.
I'm very thrilled to share with all of my relatives, friends, and teammates, and to all the members of the Mpana Foundation that I am one of the lucky ones who won 20,000 USD or
Mayaman na
almost
si leader,
1
no?
million.
20,000 din.
From Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte. When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. First of all, I would like to thank God for giving me this opportunity that tonight I won 20,000 USD.
Oh, mayaman na si ate.
I'm thankful to God.
Sir Sina Jan.
Sir Sina Jan, yung CEO.
My team leader, Pastor Jeff
Yeah,
Magius.
wrestler yan.
I'm so thankful to our Almighty God for this great opportunity. I'm so grateful to have been a lucky winner for tonight. This winning prize will give a great help to my family.
And in also thankful with the Bana Foundation because tonight I won 20k USD and 50 US.
Dami, 20k,
And I'm
tas
also
50
happy
pa.
because I can use this fund to help my family. I am one of the lucky winner who won $20,000. First of
Dami,
all,
no? 20 ulit.
I just want
overwhelmed and gratitude. I won 20,000 USD dollar.
thank you once again to the families and friends that supports me and invite me
Thank you pa kaya si ate ngayon.
Bana Foundation.
Na-invite siya dito.
As one of the lucky winners of 20,000 USD. As a regular employee for almost 10 years.
Regular ka pa rin naman, kuya. So, yun, hindi pa rin naman sila tumigil, no? Pagkatapos na gumawa sila ng bagong app.
Ano pa pakialam mo?
So, sabi dito sa GC na to, as long as you believe in me, sabi ni Esther, I will help everyone to recover and earn. So, first of all, hindi na dapat na kailangan i-recover na kung wala kayong itinakbo. Tapos, let's start a new journey with the new XEX investment app. So, may bago talaga sila. So, pagkatapos nilang iban yung mga account na nagpasok ng pera sa kanila, gumawa silang bago. Pet, no? Tuloy natin. So, yan. ETF ulit. Ganun ulit yung style. 550 yung papasok mo na minimum. So, hindi na USDT na nakalagay na dito peso. So, target talaga ng mga to is mga Pilipino. So, ano man. Ito yung referral ID. Yung referral code yun kanina. So, ito ang sabi dito, people should know that passive income is the most beneficial protection. Paano magiging protection kung passive income yun? So, when you are unemployed, when you are sick, so tamo, may sakit na yung mga tao, ganito pa yung gagawin nyo.
Siguro, umiral siguro yung kadimonyo ng aking kamay.
Galing. So, yan, siya yan, yung Esther daw. I don't think ito talaga yung nagme-message dyan. No? Tingin ko AI to. So, yun. Hello everyone. I'm Esther, an assistant of DF Foundation. So, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung mga meetings. Sali kayo. So, yan. How to register daw. Meron pa sila dyan. May instruction video pa sila dito. Tapos nag-comment tong si Mark Andrew, shoutout. Diana Grace at Esther, baka iisa lang. So, shoutout naman kay Diana Grace. So, ayan, marami pa rin nag-hesitate dito. Sure po pag pumaldo ako. Ay. Yan. Withdrawal rules. So, ganito rin yung dati, no? Naka-withdraw naman din talaga ako nung una, tapos nung mga sumunod na, wala na.
Run.
Kasi nga, takbuhan time.
Okay, galit ka ba? Eh, hindi po.
So, ganyan lahat ng nangyayari sa mga ganitong klaseng app. So, how to earn money in XTX investment. So, ganun din, ETF. Ay. Yan, no? Pagkatapos niyan, meron pa. Ginamit na din nila yung SM, no? Yan. So, pag may nag-invite sa inyo dyan, alam niyo na kung saan galing at sino may pakana, no? Pag nag-invest ka pa rin, pera mo yan, bahala ka. Pero tanga ka. So again, invest money that you can afford to lose, no? Huwag kang mag-all in sa mga bagay na hindi mo alam. Kaya pag sinuwerte, then good for you. Kapag minalas, madali mag-move on. So yun, subscribe, hit that like button. And kung paki-comment naman sa baba kung magkano yung naipasok nyo doon sa lumang XTX app. Bye!
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.